Alright, this is just a example of the noise I'm getting. See if I can get it close here. It seems to be coming from this side, the opposite side of the motors, which are over here. Here I'm getting a little squeak there too. Definitely coming from this side.